All right, this is our topic 8.8 example 1 try it problem. It says the diagram shows the area of a room to be carpeted. What will be the area of the new carpet? So the carpet itself looks like a composite figure that's made up of a rectangle and a triangle. I'm going to draw these shapes separately so I can figure out what shapes I actually need to find the area of in order to find our total area. So I have a rectangle whose height is 6 and width is 5. And then I also have a triangle. Now I know all the way across the triangle is going to be, from there to there, is going to be 9. But all I need to figure out is this length right here. So I know that that piece of the length and plus this side is going to be 9. And I know that the left side of this is 5 because if it's a rectangle, then both sides are opposite sides are the same length. So what's left over then, 9 minus 5 is going to be 4. So I know the length of this triangle is 4, and then the height of this triangle is going to be the same as the height of this rectangle over here. So the height of this triangle is going to be 6. Now, in order to find the area of a rectangle, I'm multiplying my base times my height. That's going to equal area. My base is 5. Times my height is 6, and that equals area. So my area is 30, and with units, feet squared. Now, if I'm going to try and find the area of my triangle, I know that the area of my triangle is 1/2 base times height. So then 1/2, 6 times 4, is equal to my area. I know that 6 times 4 is 24, and half of 24 is 12 feet squared is equal to my area. Now, my final piece that I need to look at is the area of everything together because this carpet is made up of the rectangle and the triangle together. So I can look at 30 feet squared, which is the area of the triangle, plus the area of the area of the rectangle plus the area of the triangle, plus 12 is equal to 42 feet squared. So this says, what will be the area of the new carpet? The new carpet will be 42 feet squared.